Let's tap to learn these numbers. 10, 7, 3. You're the best. Please tap these animals. B. Turtle, fish, lion. You did it. Let's learn about colors. Pink, orange, red, purple. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You did Let's spell this word together. K, E, Y, key. You're the best. Tap the shapes to learn their names. Circle, triangle, square. Pop these balloons to learn these numbers. 0, 4, 6. Congratulations! Let's learn about human body parts. Head, arm, leg. You're the best. Pop these balloons to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Tap these numbers in order. 8, 9, 10. 8. Can you please help Panda find the letters he wants? F, L, Z. Awesome! Please help me find the matching pairs. Lion, lion, lion. You did it. Pop these balloons to learn these animals. Pig, ant, good octopus. Job. You found the treasure. Please choose a reward you